Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing an unboxing. So I have here something from Big White EDC. It is the Roro spinner from Metal Toys DZ. So yeah, that is the spinner that we're gonna be unboxing. And let's just jump right into it. I got the Roro, Fight the Power. I wonder how many people are gonna get that song. Roro, Fight the Power. Otherwise I just sound like a weirdo. That's okay. I sound like a weirdo most of the time. I changed my background to black because I don't know, I felt like it. Gonna see how it works out. There's this and stickers. Oh, sad face, Roro. And a tool and an extra bearing. Roro. Cute box. Here it is. Oh, number 80. I got titanium blue because I like titanium and blue is my favorite color. So that's that reason. Roro, it's so pretty. I like it. I am a fan of the color. It is very ooh. It spin well. Look at that spin. I don't know if you guys can hear it too. Cool. Got some nice warping going on. It just looks so nice. It's really smooth. And the finish on it is this nice, like, matte, grippy finish. It's got real nice spin to it. This definitely feels nice. Ooh, look at that. Little warping square. That's so cool. This is definitely a really nice spinner, guys. And it's not that expensive, like 70 or so. Not bad. Not bad at all. Just look at that warp. And it's just so small. Let's see how much it weighs. Whoops. Because it's very light. It's about 45.5. Whoop, it's unscrewing. It's not my tiniest one. Because my tiniest one is the Tiny Collision. This is definitely the tiniest one that I have. This one weighs 22. Not too good at getting this one. Yeah, this is just the Tiny Collision. Just wanted to show that one. So that's my tiniest one. And now this will be my bigger one. It's just so nice. I like this finish. I can carry this one around with me. So this will be the one that I carry, because the other one that I have is this guy. Whoa. And yeah, he's just a little bit too big. So, I mean, I guess I also have this one. Which is a little bit heavy. This is a slider and clicker. Let's see. Oh, turned off. This guy's a heavy guy. 69. Nice. So yeah, this one. No, I'm just kind of messing around. So yeah, this one, that's pretty good. And then the Roro. So that's about it. Whoa, background's coming off. So yeah, that's it. This is the Roro. Pretty nice. Oh yeah. Actual size, since it is a square. It's about 35 millimeters. Not bad. Alright, so this has been the unboxing of the Roro. And it is nice. I recommend it, guys. It is just really nice to just like continuously play with. And the feeling, the finish, it's kind of softish in a way. This anodized finish, I don't know. It just feels super, super nice. Yeah. A+, guys. So this is added to my spinner collection. It grows even more. Who knows how more I'll get now. But yeah, so that's it. Please like the video if you like it. Please subscribe for more content. Leave a comment and I will get to it, as I always do. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I will see you in the next video, and I hope you have a fantastic day. Bye guys. See you later.